everybody, my name is Master Chunk. Welcome to Get Wrecked or 420 Bird. Friend zoned.
Damn, son.
I suck at Flappy Bird. Whoa! Said it! I said it! Oh lord.
Damn, son.
As soon as he said that, get no scout! There's one more I'm trying to get. I want to try and get the Doritos. And the weed. Oh, there's three more I gotta get. I think it's like Mountain Dew, Doritos, and then the weed.
Damn, son. Damn,
suck.
son.
Okay, keep going till we get the Doritos.
Damn.
Dang it! Get the Doritos.
Oh.
Finish!
Dang it.
Son. Oh, I got the weed as a medal. Whoa, no. Oh, those are my old emu. Yes, I got the weed! Oh, Lord. Dang it. This game is so trippy. Finish!
Damn, son.
Oh, I got shot. If I go up too high, I get shot. That's weird.
Damn,
crap.
son.
Come on. We gotta get that. We gotta get that Doritos. Come on. Gotta get those Doritos. Determination.
Damn, son.
Dang it! I almost got the Doritos. The Doritos is probably the craziest fed salmon.
Damn, son. Damn,
it.
son.
Yes! Oh god! Trippy! Trippy! Trippy in a can! Oh god.